Party people! It is time for Wednesday Wax Wake Ups with Wally. Oh, the guy in the Dean's truck really helped me out there. That would have been a cool background sound. Today, we're doing tribute baseball. It just came out today. The rumor is we're going to see 3 autographs, a stamp of approval relic card, a dual relic, and a triple relic. What fun it is. Just got in this fresh little 6-boxer. And let's see what it's all about. I think the price tag's around $300. I believe it is under that. But I do not know the exact price until you arrive in the shop. So, normally we try to just have our cases sitting out and ready. But on a big boy like this, our cases, our boxes, you know what I mean, jelly bean. So we'll go like that and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 has got it. Uno, dos, tres. Move these ones out of the way. These will be available in the shop at any time. After I upload the video, we will be ready to open. So come on down. Getting more National Treasures today, along with, what else is fun? Oh, restock a ton of stuff. Revolution, SPX Hockey, 15-woman draft. So the way it's set up, you got 3 stacks of 2. Let's see how we do. Pack numero uno. Well, that's pretty sweet. Saw something about a wood design, and that's sort of kind of what that looks like. Sharp looking cards. Ah, nice little paper spacers in between so they don't scratch. Well, it's congratulating us on the triple relics. So that's 105 out of 150. Colorado Rockies, Charlie Blackmon. And Mookie Betts base. I think this, yeah, actually I'm sure this is a product that has some of those really epic dual signatures in it. I don't know if we still have the one that Jay pulled or not. We got the Griffey Hank Aaron one. It was a couple years ago. Super sweet looking card. Yeah, this might be the first base set I ever do. Not ever. In my adult life. My mature adult life. Base wood card. Congrats, we hit a Breggy. Ooh, and it's an auto. 21 out of 193. On card, clear auto. I like it. The little paper things in between are making the difference. And a Cepeda. It's got kind of a different, it's got like almost a shadow to it. Hard to explain. Like he's in motion. Chris Bryant base. Congratulations, we got a Craig Kimbrell dual relic, 19 of 50, Red Sox. And then I think in every box there should be a, trying to see if this is game 1 or not. Not from any specific game or event. All right. Another Bregman. Halfway home so far. Not so great for this particular backs. Cindy. Franklin Barreto. 27 out of 99. Green parallel. Yet again, on-card auto. Wow, it's like he should teach everybody else how to sign. Fill in the whole white space where it says signature. Anyways, the last one in there is a belly. 2 packs to go. Need some mojo. We'll tag it from the back this time. The back, which is now the front. And another Bellinger. Good guy to get. Number to 150. And there's the one with the MLB hologram. So you can actually go and look that up online and figure out where and when he wore that jersey, which is pretty cool. And the other one was another base of Clemens. So we have one auto left. Let's see what it is. Bonus card in here? Could be. So first up, we got the Hopper. 16/99. That's a good sign. It's got to be a good pack. Boom! One going, Gonzalez. That was my boy. He needs a thicker marker, though. That is a cool looking card. 6/65 and well protected with the paper. And the bonus, there's got to be a bonus auto. A Verdugo rookie. Sweet. 190/199. Or maybe just the minimum is 3 autographs and they're potentially over-delivered this time. How nice. I'd have to say that was a pretty respectable break. Verdugo rookie. Wangan. Charlie Blackmon. Jersey Kimbrel. Otto Bregman. And one more in here, I thought. There it is. Franklin Barreto auto. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hits in that box. Nothing wrong with that. Like I said, the rest of the case will be available in the shop, and we're open now, so come on in.